Hello everyone, my name is Bhavish Lohar and I welcome you on my YouTube channel Quest Achiever. So we completed with the SR flip-flops. Now basically we are proceeding with the JK flip-flops. Okay, so in basically SR flip-flop we have one state, that is invalid state. I am just drawing the truth table. First I will draw a circuit diagram of SR only. So using that only we will get the JK flip-flop circuit. I think this much you know, right? This I already explained in my previous class. SR flip-flop using NAND gate. This is S and R. This is Q and Q dash. Understood? And we all remember regarding the truth table of SR. This is 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. This will remain same state, reset, set, and this is X. Okay, this thing you got in SR flip-flops. Now basically what we have to do, basically for JK flip-flop we have to modify the circuit. So by modifying means from here we have to give this to this, from here so this S will become J, R will become K. Okay, so this is the modified circuit diagram of JK flip-flops. Okay, now we will get basically JK flip-flop truth table. Basically this is invalid state. Here you will get something different in JK flip-flop. Rest 3 will remain same. Okay, suppose clock equal to 1. Okay, means clock will provide. Okay, if we provide a clock, then when J is equals to 0, K equal to 1, you will get Q is equals to 0 and Q dash is equals to 1. Same thing will happen for JK flip-flop. Similarly, clock equal to 0, 1 means active. Then J is equals to 1, K equal to 0, you will get basically Q ka value is 1 and Q dash is equals to 0. Understood? But now we have a issue in this, basically this in SR flip-flop. When K equal to 1, this is equals to 1. So what will be the value of Q dash and Q? So this you want. So basically what we do here, basically let assume Q is equals to 0. We'll take 1 also. Okay, so this is equals to 0 means this is equals to 0. 0 will come here, 0. Okay, and these are the input 1 only. Okay, these are 1, right? This will not change, this is fixed. Now this is 0, whatever we assume. So Q dash will be what? 1. So यहाँ पे 1 आ जाएगा. Getting it? Now clock will always provide you high only. So now we will solve here. 1 1 1 means it will provide 0. 1 1 0. Any of the input is 0 to the NAND gate, it will give 1. Okay. Now you know that 0 1. This is latch. So means 0 1's what will be the next state? It will provide, suppose this is Q, then Q n plus 1. Okay, here we will write n, then plus next state, what will be the next state? So 0 1 means it is 0 only. Okay, so 0 you will get, 0 means 1, sorry 1 you will get, and Q n plus 1 dash 0. Okay, so this is the present state or current state. You are getting next state, that is 1 and 0. Let assume, now again we'll assume Q n is equals to 1. Before I took 0, now I will basically take this. Okay, now this is 1 will come here, 1 will come here. Okay, so 1 1 1, it will provide you 0. Now it is 0, here it is having 0, so 0, so you will get 1. So 1 0, if you applied 1 0 to the latch, you will get basically Qn plus 1 basically become 0, and this will become. Understood? So I took both the possibilities, means in that state the Qn value, in that state the Qn plus will be getting it 0 1 0 1 0 1. You can try Okay, you can try multiple times. Okay, 0 1 I took. Okay, so again I will take 0, then you will get 0 here. Okay, again I will take 1, then you will get 1, means 1 0 1 0. So qn dash will become what? 1 0 1 0 1, this dot dot dot. Getting me? So truth table of, so I can conclude that the truth table for JK flip flop zero zero one one zero one zero one. Okay, now qn plus 1 is 1. Now this is 0 0. I already told you that qn will there 0 1 0 1 0 1. But in this state, basically you are getting the complement of, here's you are getting this 1 and complement is 0. You are getting 0, assuming 0, getting 1. So means it's a complement of qn dash. Understood? Means we assume 0 also, we assume 1 also, but in place of next state we are getting a complement of present state. That's why this will provide you the qn dash. Understood? This is really important truth table for JK flip flop. Using this only we can get the characteristics table. Understood? So first we took basically the circuit diagram of JK flip flop. First we drawn SR flip flop, some changes we did, and we got the JK flip flop circuit diagram. Then I wrote SR flip flop truth table for understanding purpose, and I took multiple conditions. So in this cases we getting different output, don't care condition in SR, but here we are getting simply all things are clear, assuming 0 and 1 in Q present state, and we are getting the complement of each, means toggling state is getting, this is called as toggle state. Okay, so I think this much is clear. We'll see characteristics table and characteristics equation in the next class. Okay, just watch once again, and if you have any doubts then let me know in the comment box. Till then, thank you so much.